up, guys. A nice crispy baked potato done in the oven with loads of cheese and beans and a buttered roll. Lovely. Me and Arthur, we're going to enjoy this baked potato. You can't beat it. Lovely evening. Absolutely beautiful evening. And it's still a bit cold, guys. Still got the winter chills. Still those winter chills. I love these walks. I go on so many walks. It's what passes most of the time in van life when you're a full-timer. All these lovely walks, guys, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful for the mind, beautiful for the soul. Breathing in this beautiful Scottish fresh air, smelling the wetlands behind me, the forest, the Galloway forest, and all the moss and algae. All the dampness from the lake and the waterfalls just over there as well. Absolutely stunning. We've got all these glorious giants all around me. You know, some people think you get lonely. Of course I miss Christine, of course I do. I miss her. Breaks my heart every second to think about that poor girl. But I miss her by my side because she loved this, she loved nature as well. And I've got my little dog as well. I got all these guys as well. All these guys now. Some may think we're a bit weird, these people who think that trees are alive. But I think trees are alive. I think I'm in a crowded park full of characters, and every one of these trees are characters. And I do talk to the trees. I talk to lots of things, I really do. Living alone and all that. I talk to the trees, I hug the trees. You get a scent, you need to try it. I mean, people knock tree hugging, but you need to try it, guys. Go and hug a tree in the middle of a remote forest. Just hug a tree. Sounds a bit strange, eh? Yeah, and I'll talk to Christine, I'll talk to the trees. Just sit here, chilling out. Just soaking everything in and remembering all the lovely times. Talking to the trees, talking to Christine, talking to my dad as well. He's been gone over 20 years now. So these guys, they're alive, guys. They really are. These guys are alive. To me they are. Try hugging a tree. Especially the big oak trees, the ones that's been there, 200, 300 years, guys. There is a sense, there is an aura about them when you hug a tree, especially in the remotes, on your own. You need to be on your own, I think, or with your partner. But there's a sense of, when you hug a tree, especially a big tree that's been there a long time, it's got an aura about it, a sense of power, a sense of history, knowing that tree has been through 200, sometimes 300 years of history. I can hear them. If you want to hear them, guys, you can hear them. If you want to talk to them, they'll talk to you back. As I say, you can talk to your loved ones as well. I always do. Christine, my sweetheart, wherever you may be, I'm not God-fearing. I don't believe in God and all that. No God would have done that to my Christine, killed her the way they did. No God would have done that. No God would hurt children, harm children. No God would make children suffer. I don't know. I don't know what it's all about, guys. I really don't. It's a special time for me in the forest like this. Especially in the wilderness. The wilderness of a forest like this, Galloway forest, guys. Absolutely stunning. Must be nice to have a belief in a God, I suppose. Must be nice to have that kind of belief and that kind of faith that you're going to meet your loved ones again. That you can hold on to till the day you die and you'll meet them again. But believe me, if I thought there was a bloody God and if I thought there was a heaven and if I thought Christine was up there somewhere, I'd have been gone a long time ago, guys, to be with her. So it's a bit of a double-edged sword. You do get a bit of... I suppose you do get a bit of help and relief with some sort of faith. But I don't have that faith. No, I don't have that faith at all. I just have faith of what's in front of me. I have faith in what I can see. I have faith in what I can smell, taste and hear and touch. That's it. These guys are talking to me, so I've got some faith in something. And they're massive, they're massive. Look at them all the way up there to the heavens, to where all the kites rest of a night time. Beautiful, eh, Skye? Hey, we've been for our evening walk. It's starting to get dark now, guys. Let's get that kettle on. Let's have a nice cup of Yorkshire. Kettle's on, mother. Guys, this is amazing for the soul, the mind, for anxiety. You've got to do this type of thing, even if it's just for a weekend. Just for one night or a day out in the car. Sleep in the car if necessary, back of the car. Just get out. Get out here. In this majestical kingdom of ours, the UK. Scotland, Ireland, Wales, England. We live in a wonderful kingdom. And we don't enjoy it enough. We'll work for 40, 50 years. We'll retire when we can hardly walk. And that's it. That's the game over, isn't it? I know everyone can't retire early like I did, but you know, I've got no big pension or nothing. It's the pension's just come through now, even though I've been retired for a few years. But you find a way, and in a van you can live frugally. You really can live frugally. Fraction of the cost of living in a flat or a house. A fraction of the cost, guys. Okay, it can be tough sometimes, but the rewards far outweigh anything else. I'm rambling on now. Sitting in here with all my friends around me. Look at them all. There's hundreds of them. And me dog. All right, Skye. Hi, Skye. Skye, say hello. Hello. All right, go back to Christine. Kettle's on, mother. Piddling down. Really naff out there today. Oh, a lovely day yesterday as well. Right, I've got a brunch for tonight's supper. There we go. A full English, guys. Black pudding, crispy bacon, soft eggs, nice Scottish pork sausages, fried bread, beans, bit of daddy's sauce. Well, not daddy's, HP. Nice cup of tea. Kettle's on, mother. Lovely. I found that kettle. Found a new kettle. Bloody things I find on the road. Right, let's get this down, Nick. Have some bread and butter as well. Lovely. Oh, what you guys? Just come off my beats, my trials. Just popped down to Newton Stewart. There's a parcel that a product manufacturer sent me. So I've got to deliver to the local post office down at Newton Stewart. And we'll have a quick look around while we're here. We've been here before, I've done some videos here before. But the river's in spate today after all the rain last night. I had so much rain last night. So the river's in spate, so that'll be interesting. We'll have a look at that as well. Right, let's go and collect my parcel. This is how you collect your stuff, guys, on the road. Postage. Just get it sent to your local post office, wherever you may be. Most post offices will accept parcels. Right, let's go and have a look. Right guys, here we are at the local post office at Newton Stewart. I'll go and collect my parcel which I had delivered here. Lovely job there.
Just now recognise your code, and yet I scanned it in this morning.
Alright, parcel collected. Pk. Nice and easy, guys. Well, it's certainly different to the last time I was here. I think it was over a month ago. Do I remember this place, guys? Newton Stewart, the monument in the park, and the river is pelting through now after all the rains. All the flowers are coming out as well, lovely. Wow, look at that. Absolutely chucking it through. Beautiful. Amazing. Amazing how the river changes overnight. It'll be settled down again in about 24 hours, back down to normal again. Lovely jubbly. Amazing weather here in Scotland with all the rains and all the rivers going into space. Right guys, you can't come through the Queen's Road. It's one of the most beautiful white roads in Galloway for driving. It's a stunning road, guys. Newton Stewart all the way up to New Galloway. It's absolutely lovely. But you can't come down the Queen's Road without looking at the mountain goats. They're all over this mountain. It's called Goat Mountain, I believe. A little cute one there. How lovely are you? You're only a couple of months old, maybe. That's it. Got big ones on that one. Lovely job. Wild mountain goats. On the Queen's Road, guys. Goat Mountain. Little cutie. Hello there. Hello. Hello. You eating the grass, are you? Is it greener on the other side? Always is, mate. Grass is always greener on the other side. Eh? It is, it's always greener. Have a look at this little baby here. Hello, little one. Hello, little one. Little cutie. Hello. 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 Your mummy looking after you. There you go. Can't come down Queen's Road without saying hello to the goats. The wild mountain goats on the way back up the mountain there. They're all over the mountain, guys, all up there, they're all over this mountain. Lovely jubbly. Right guys, again on the Queen's Road, another stop on the Queen's Road, tourist stop. The red deer range. Let's go and see if it's any about, eh? Come on. Right, at the moment they're all on the pastures out there. Can we see them, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 10 red deer up there. In the pasture. Until the wardens feed them to come down. And there's people about. And they come down. Here we go, we've got one there, guys. Here's a bit of a tatty one. Come down for some grub. The rest are up there. They may come down in a bit. This is a Galloway, a red deer range, guys. This is the viewing platform. Please remember, close the windows firmly when you leave. So you can open all these windows, guys, and see these guys close up. These one there, look. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Got nothing for you. Sorry. mate? What are you doing? Eh? You having a good day? I think these are quite young. Eh? Oh, what do you want? Beautiful, eh? Living in the wild. Free range. That's the way animals should be. Free range. You a female? I think you're a female, aren't you? Stop scratching your bottom. Let's see if you got any nuts. Yeah, I think she looks like a female. Yeah, a young female, I think. Hello, mate. Lovely, eh? Lovely creatures. Do you know why they got a white bum like that? So it looks like eyes, so they can't be attacked from behind. The predator always thinks they're looking at them. There you go, bit of information. Have a scratch. Have a scratch, dude. Lovely red deer. Have a shake. He's having another scratch. They've probably got lots of bugs. Beautiful. The red deer on Queen's Road.